And let us go with problem number 2. So this one. Determine the exact simple interest. Now, pag wala sinabing exact simple interest, tanggalin natin exact. Mara, ito yung problem. Determine the simple interest on 500 pesos for the period of January 10 to October 28, 1996 at 16% interest. Now, let us go back to our discussion. Anong sinabi dito? If year is not given, assume ordinary. Pero binigay yung year and then the date. Then, you assume that is exact. Paano kung hindi binigay nga exact yan? O di gagamitin mo exact. Kasi you are given a specific year and a specific date on the terms of your interest. Okay? Now, let us count from January 10 to October 28. January 10 to October 28 of the year 1996. The first one you'll do is to check if it is a leap year. Okay? 1996, is it divisible by 4? Siyempre, ito, hindi naman to divisible by 400, di ba? By common sense, divide mo na ng 4. Oh. If that is a whole number, we can say it is a leap year. If that is not a whole number with decimal, we can say it is not a leap year. Let us see if this is a leap year. I-divide natin yung 1996 ng 4. Okay. If that is a whole number, then check natin. Therefore, it is a leap year. Okay. We can say, okay, January, nagsimula tayo, 10. 10 days sa January. February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, 28. Okay? Tingnan natin. Oh, yung mga knuckles nyo, check nyo. Oh, January, lampas na tayo dyan. February, that is not, 30 days. So, pero leap year. 28 plus 1, 29 because it is a leap year. Oh. March, may buto. Ibig sabihin, that is 31. April, walang buto, that is 30. May, may buto, that is 31. June, walang buto, that is 30. July, may buto, that is 31. Pabalik ka dito, balik ka dyan, that is 31 ulit ang August. September, 30. Stop ka na dyan. Kasi yung October, meron ng given number of days. So, you have 10, 29, 31, 30, 31, 30, 31, 30, 28. Okay. Dito natin sa calculator. Kung ilan days ba ang lumipas. So, 10 days in January. January 10. May mali dyan. January 10. January 10, so hindi mo na-counted yung first days of January. So, dapat ito, if you have January 31, okay? Yeah, January 31 minus 10. Kasi 10 days na ang lumipas sa January. 10 days has passed January. So, that is equal to 31 minus 10. That is 21 days na lang ang natitira doon sa terms mo. After January 10. Okay? So, 21 plus 29 since that is a leap year plus 31 plus 30 plus 31. Ayan na. 30 plus 31 times 2 plus 31 plus 30 plus 28. The number of days that has passed after January 10 to October 28 is 292 days. 292 days to be exact. Yan. So, meron na tayong N. Okay? N is equal to 292 days. Oh. Yan, ha? Anong hinahanap dyan? The 16% interest. Determine the exact simple interest. So, exact simple interest, I-E. Exacte. That is E-PIN. Okay. The principal is 500 pesos. You multiply it with the interest rate 0.16. You multiply it with the number of days, 292. But, leap year yan. O ilan bang days per leap year? That is 366 days. Oh. We cancel all the same units, days and days. Oh, calculate natin. So, that is 500 multiplied to 0.16 multiplied to 292 divided by 366. Oh, very basic lang yan. That is the interest rate is, or the interest that is accumulated. Nakuha mo dyan. Interest to be exact. Okay? At, anong tinubo mo dyan? 63 and 83 cents. Dito pwede na to. 63 pesos and 83 cents. Okay na yan. That is now the interest on your principal of 500 pesos after 292 days. Okay?